Let me just give you a short tour to this VS Code application. Okay, so let's quickly see a short tour of VS Code. So whenever you will open a VS Code for the first time, this will be the default view of the VS Code. Okay, you will get a welcome screen, and on the welcome screen it will show you basic options. Like you can see it is showing start option, and in that it is asking you to create a new file or to open a folder. Okay, so as a good programmer, it's always good to, group our files in a folder, or to keep our files in a proper folder. Okay, so that's why to just get started, what we'll do is we'll click on open folder. Okay, so when we'll click on open folder, then it will open up this file explorer. So let's create one folder and we'll keep all our program in that folder. So let me go to the desktop, let me right click over here and let's click on new folder. And let's create, let's say, C++ code. Okay, so I'm creating C++ codes folder, and then I'm clicking on select folder. So now what this VS Code will do, this VS Code will open this C++ codes folder. Okay, so now we have this folder ready with us. So you can see in this activity bar, there is an option called as Explorer. Okay, so if you will click on this option, then basically it will show you all the files or all the folder, whatever files are open in the editor, it will show it over here. So right now you can see, right now we have C++ codes folder open. That's why it is showing C++ codes over here. Then this is called as universal search. Okay, so let's say you have a folder, and in that folder there are let's say 10 files. And let's say you want to search something in all those 10 files, then you can do it from here. Okay, I will explain you how you can do it when we'll go ahead in this course. But right now just remember, this is a universal search. So if you want to search something in all the files which are present in the open folder, then you can do it from here. Okay, then this is for version control. Okay, so right now don't focus over here. This is for git related things. Okay, so this is for debugging. So we are going to tell you what is this debugging at the end of this course. Okay, so this is for debugging. This is for the extensions. Okay, so Visual Studio Code is an environment. Okay, so in this environment you have an option to install multiple extensions, and these extensions makes our life easy. Okay, right now for C++ we don't really need too many extensions, but if you are writing code for JavaScript or in Python, then there are multiple good extensions available in Visual Studio Code which you can basically use to make your life easy, right? And this option is for live sharing. So let's say you and your friend want to code simultaneously, okay, at the same time, then you can create a live session over here and then you can write a code, okay, like together at the same time. That's a very great feature, right? Okay, so right now just go back to the Explorer. Right now the C++ codes folder is open. So what we have to do, we have to create our first file, and in that file we are going to write our first code. Okay, so just click on this icon. This is for new file. Okay, so when you will click on this new file icon, this new file will be created inside this folder. So click on this new file and let's create our first file, that is, let's say hello.cpp. Now always remember, all the C++ codes will be written in a file, and the extension of that file will be .cpp. Okay, so we all know if you have an executable file, then its extension is .exe. If you have a PDF file, then its extension is .pdf. Similarly, if you want to have a C++ file, or if you want to write C++ code, then the extension of that file is going to be .cpp. Okay, so whenever you want to write any C++ code, you have to create a file, and its name can be anything, but its end or its extension must be .cpp. Okay, so I hope now this is clear to you.